Have you ever thought about selling on Amazon? Ever wondered how you could turn the giant e-commerce platform into a money-making machine? Well, there are many ways to do it, and today we'll explore them one by one. Our first stop is the most apparent route: selling products. You can manufacture your own products or source them to resell on Amazon. There are two primary selling plans to choose from: the individual plan and the professional plan. Each comes with its own set of fees, depending on factors like product category and shipping. Next, we have Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA. This route allows you to send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers, where they handle everything from storage and packing to shipping. It's a time-saving move that also gives your products Prime eligibility. Then there's the Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates. By promoting Amazon products on your website, blog, or social media, you can earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate links. For the authors out there, Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is your path. Publish your ebooks through KDP and sell them on the Amazon Kindle store to earn royalties based on sales. For the designers, there's Merch by Amazon. Create custom t-shirt designs and sell them on Amazon. They handle the production, shipping, and customer service. Craftsmen and artisans can sell their handcrafted products on Amazon Handmade, a marketplace specifically made for unique handcrafted items. If you're into self-publishing physical books, CreateSpace, now part of Kindle Direct Publishing Print, is your go-to. It helps you print and distribute your books. Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, is a platform where you can earn money by completing small tasks and jobs posted by requesters. For those with a car and a desire to deliver packages, there's Amazon Flex. Become a delivery driver and earn money delivering Amazon Prime Now orders. If you have a product listed on Amazon, you can use Amazon advertising to promote it through sponsored product listings or display ads. For those with a book manuscript and are seeking a traditional publishing deal, consider submitting it to one of Amazon Publishing's imprints. Finally, for the tech-savvy, there's AWS or Amazon Web Services. Offer cloud computing services or build applications on AWS and charge clients for your services. Remember, each of these methods comes with its own requirements, advantages, and challenges. Success on Amazon often requires careful planning, market research, and marketing efforts to stand out among competitors. Amazon's policies and requirements may change, so it's essential to stay informed and adapt your strategies accordingly. So, whether you're an author, a designer, a tech guru, or simply someone with a product to sell, Amazon offers a multitude of ways to earn money. It's all about finding the best fit for you. So why not explore these options and see where your Amazon journey could lead?